this organization, I would say, miracle. So this happened in my life too. And selecting education or coming into education field was not by choice, it was by chance. So earlier, after my biotechnology only, na, I was interested for junior research fellowship. So somehow or the other, I was the failure at that place. So once I was just crossing by a school, I saw the board of this school, this international school. I thought, let me try for this school. It was just a thought. और कहा जाता है ना कि it everything comes from starts from the thought process only. So it came to my mind. Next day, I prepared my CV. I had submitted. Interview happened. I got selected. And then, when I was in the interview, I told them that, yes, I am biotechnology person. So I'm very interested for +2 level. And I have those skills. But what happened, they didn't have that vacancy at the time. So I joined as grade third class teacher. Can you imagine? I was having the skills to teach a +2 level, but I joined. Okay, it's okay if I'm getting the job like this. It's okay. So with that full passion and devotion, I started with that. Grade third only, I started. Science was my subject only. So, small topics, germination and all. I was taking with that with full interest. Luckily, what happens, as miracle I'm talking about, the teacher who was supposed to join to teach for grade 9 and 10, she didn't join. And as I told in the interview only, so that place was given to me. I was asked to join in the place of that teacher. I joined that place. Then I continued for next 5 to 6 months. This was my first promotion. Then what happened in after 5 months, in +2, means 11th and 12th, the teacher who was teaching, that teacher got selected in some other organization. That teacher left. Then again, I was given that opportunity, ki Shikha, if you're interested, you can come and just teach 11th and 12th grade. If that will be good, we will take you for further. And miracle really happened. In 6 months, I was twice promoted and I was given as +2 means PGT biology teacher. It was great to hear that, see, this is how it happens. When I would said no to grade third class teacher, that I would be not joining, in 6 months I would not get that opportunity. So it's a learning for all of us that whenever life gives us the opportunity now, we should never say no, because you don't know that what is behind that, what is waiting for you behind that. So after completing my 5 years of PGT biology, I was as a teacher. I got a chance I was appointed as headmistress at one of the group of schools, Sunbeam Group. I was there for again 6 to 7 months. Then I was promoted to principal in the very next academic session. And then I worked there for 5 years. Then I again changed to next group of schools, St. Amar Japuria School. I worked there also for 5 years. So these many years, what I have done was attending so many sessions online. That time the online was not there. Offline, doing sessions, taking students to national level, presenting projects in one of the very good schools, CMS at Lucknow, which was, calling all principals all around the world and then picking some of the projects from them, talking about the strategies and the methods, what we do. So this was all about my journey when I was a teacher. Then also I was very passionate doing something creative, something very innovative in this school. And then when I was a principal, then I was also behind these things to do something extra, something which is behind the track, something which is very different from others. And meanwhile, then I have continued from that. I completed my IAM course, Leadership and Change Management from Raipur. And then till then, now is the day when I'm not looking back. And again, I'm looking forward for more sessions, more such, ceremonies or workshops or conferences, so that I can talk to people and tell exactly what is happening in the field of education and how we can move ahead for the child's bringing up into a new zone, into new era. So, slowly, we will also talk about how we can work even better in the field of education.